What's that dinosaur?
Uh,
Yeah, what's his name?
this one.
What's that one's name? Pterodactyl. Who's that?
Dinosaurus.
Stegosaurus. What's his name? Allosaurus.
Allosaurus.
What's his name? Don't look at me. What's his name? Oh, is that pterodactyl?
What about this baby ones, Ethan? Come here.
How about name
Mommy
all the
doesn't know
baby
this one.
dinosaurs?
That one. Okay. Who are they? Dimetrodon? Triceratops?
That one's
Where's Ankylosaurus?
Cephalosaurus.
Which one is that? Triceratops. How old are you, Ethan? How do you say trick or treat?
Ethan, where's Dimetrodon? That's right.
Show it to mommy. Show it to mommy. That one is Dimetrodon.
How do you know that's Dimetrodon? Where's Parasaurolophus?
Oh, show it to mommy. Oh, that one.
Yeah, where is Ankylosaurus?
Just show it.
Okay. Where's, I think, Pachycephalosaurus?
Should show it here. Oh, that one. Oh.
Where is Plesiosaurus?
Let me see. Oh, okay.
Where is, let's see.
T-Rex.
Yeah, where's T-Rex? Okay.
Oh yeah, you didn't show it to me.
Oh, show it to Mommy. Oh, yeah, show Mommy that one.
Oh yeah.
Where's Triceratops?
Show mommy the head. What does it have? Horns. Yeah.
Where's Brachiosaurus? Yeah.
Look close right here. Right there. Okay.
Where is where's Allosaurus? Where's Allosaurus? Remember Allosaurus? You didn't show Allosaurus.